Hello everyone, welcome back to the Planet V. Today, we are sharing with you our relaxing stay in Ubud together with our visit to sites frequented by tourists. Let's start with our accommodation at Puri Andong. Let's have a quick tour of the villa.
Welcome to our villa. The delicacy from Philippines, from your neighboring country. Let's be in peace. Let's be in peace.
Amazing.
Ubud Palace is situated in the center of Ubud, easily accessible. It is often visited by tourists exploring the cultural hub of Bali. Used as the official residence of the royal family of Ubud, it has undergone renovations and restoration, maintaining its cultural significance. This place showcases traditional Balinese architecture with intricate carvings and ornate design. Although we haven't attended shows here, Ubud Palace hosts traditional Balinese dance performances regularly, providing visitors with a chance to experience the island's rich cultural heritage. While parts of the palace remain the residence of the royal family, significant sections are open to the public, allowing visitors to explore and appreciate the cultural and historical aspects. Gojek is one of the best options for getting around Bali. It is a widely used ride-hailing and delivery service in Indonesia. Please note that it was not yet available in Nusa Penida when we visited. I highly recommend taking advantage of this service to save time traveling between sites because the traffic in Bali is quite heavy.
Guys, we just entered the Goa Gajah, which is the elephant cave, and we took Gojek to come here, which is very convenient actually, very cheap compared to Grab, and it takes faster than taking a cab.
It's easier to avoid traffic when you are on the bike rather than the car.
A quick tip before you visit, usually when you arrive by Gojek, there are a lot of stores outside. They sell this sarong. Actually, you don't need to buy from them because they provide it here for free. That comes with the entrance fee.
Goa Gajah, also known as the Elephant Cave, is a significant archaeological site located near Ubud in Bali. Here's a brief overview. Dating back to the 9th century, Goa Gajah is a historic cave complex with cultural and religious significance. This site was likely used for meditation and as a sanctuary. The entrance to Goa Gajah features a large stone face believed to represent an elephant, which is why it's commonly known as the Elephant Cave. The entrance is carved with intricate details and leads into a small courtyard. The cave's interior contains various relics and a statue of Ganesha, the Hindu god with an elephant head. Additionally, the cave walls feature ancient carvings and sculptures. Adjacent to the cave, there is a bathing pool with several statues and fountains. It is believed to have been used for ritual bathing, and the water is considered sacred.
When you visit Goa Gajah, guys, it's not just a place where you could meditate. It's also a place for you to lose weight.
It's also climbing many steps.
There are a lot of stairs. And this is a good find, guys. After visiting Goa Gajah, you can check this Warung Layana. We accidentally found this from the road, so we're looking for something to eat and drink, and they have a really nice view. Look at that. What can you say?
It's quiet place, although we just traverse like near busy roads.
The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary is located in the heart of Ubud, within walking distance from the town center. Established as a conservation and educational site, the monkey forest aims to protect the long-tailed macaque monkeys and their natural habitat while providing a unique experience for visitors. The forest is home to a population of Balinese long-tailed macaques, and visitors have the opportunity to observe these monkeys in their natural environment. The monkey forest is not just about the monkeys. It also features lush greenery, ancient trees, and moss-covered stone statues, creating a picturesque and serene environment. The monkeys are considered sacred and play a role in the temple's spiritual significance. Visitors can observe and interact with the monkeys, but it's important to follow the guidelines provided by the staff to ensure both the safety of visitors and the well-being of the monkeys. Like here, you'll see a monkey which tried to play and interact with me, so I had to remain calm as advised in the guidelines. The Campuhan Ridge Walk, also known as Bukit Campuhan, is a scenic trekking path offering refreshing views of the surrounding landscapes. The trail runs along the Campuhan River's ridges, providing panoramic views of lush green hills, rice fields, and the winding Campuhan River. It's a serene and picturesque setting, especially during sunrise or sunset. After trekking, there are a few small cafes where visitors can take a break, enjoy a refreshing drink, and absorb the scenic beauty. The ridge walk is particularly beautiful during the early morning or late afternoon when the sunlight creates a stunning play of colors on the landscape. We decided to kick back and relax in paradise before bidding adieu to our Bali adventure and heading back to Belgium. And let me tell you, we made the most of it.
Dragon fruit. Some local fruit. For sure.
Very posh breakfast. And it's not expensive actually. Bon appetit.
So, if you're craving more adventures and insider tips, hit that subscribe button to join us on the Planet V journey. We love hearing from fellow travelers like you. Until next time, thanks a million for tuning in.
See you again.
Yes.